Hello everyone, welcome back to Share Media again. Today I will show you how to make a video with green screen, and edit our video. Now we go to Google search altogether and we type the google.com, and then we go to Shine and we type the word green screen, and enter to search, and then we select the green screen to show the green screen. Okay, we show the green screen, and then we go to the CapCut, and then we go to new project. With this new project we put in. Okay, and then we select the green screen, and add, and then we go to select the word overlay. We try with this one, and add. We can see the green screen here, and we select the video, select the video, to be cut hairs, to be change the background here. Okay, we push the green screen here, into the end of video. It is the similar length, equal length of the video. This video we just make a length the same as video. We can delete it. So we go to remove background at this, remove background, and we wait until the video is remove background to be a green screen on the video. So we will wait after the remove background is complete. We can see the video with the green screen video background. We wait for a while to see the background was removed from a video to change to a green screen. So after that we can see the video with no background, just a green screen. Now we try to play. Now we finish the video, and then we click download. Download here. Download here, and we can have a video exporting. Thank you for watching video.